Alright guys, today we're going to show you how to program the long-range remote kit that uses the XL202 module. So if your kit has the XL202, this video is for you. If you do not have this in your kit, then you need to watch one of our other remote programming videos. They are not all the same. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and plug in the little 4-pin port connector that comes with the XL202. Plug the other end into the remote start box, and it goes right here on the back side. Plug in the black port to the antenna, and then plug the other end, it's like an ivory color, into the back side of the XL202. Then we have two remotes that we need to sync up. To do this, there's a light on the front side and a push button on the back side. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take your key, put it in the ignition, turn the ignition on. You're going to push the button, release it, and then push and hold, and you'll see this light start flashing right here. You're going to push and hold the lock button for about 2 seconds, and you'll see that light go solid and then go off. And now it's blinking really slow, which means it programmed. So let go of the button, turn the ignition off. So now to program the other remote, you just repeat the process. So stick the key in, turn the ignition on, press, release, press and hold. You'll see the light start flashing. Grab the other remote, push and hold for about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll see it go solid, and now it's going to blink at a slow pace, which means it programmed. Release the button, the light goes out, and now you're good. So now on the key fob, you're going to have lock, unlock. The snowflake, you just tap it once, and the vehicle will start. This one has the hood open, so it's not going to start. And then if you're equipped with a electronic trunk in the vehicle, push and hold the trunk button for 3 seconds, and it will pop the trunk and or hatch. One thing to note is if you guys have a remote start box that looks like this port right here can only be used for the long-range remote or a phone module. It cannot do both. So if you guys have a like a Dodge Ram base model, for example, that does not have keyless entry, you can connect our remote kit to it, so you'll get lock, unlock, remote start options from our key fob, but you will not be able to add a phone module to it. So just a little tidbit there. If you guys have any questions, please let us know.